Welcome back to another episode of EG Outdoors. Today we are at Bartlett with some homies, Jace, and the other two went over there. But we're gonna do some crappie fishing. Hopefully we can get on some fish. Just gonna make a quick intro and then start some fishing real quick. Are you gonna take your stuff? Your other stuff? Huh? More of your rigs? Are you gonna take them?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna set it up right now.
Alright. But see you guys in a bit. Oh! A bass. Dude, first cast. First catch of the day. Toady. A nice bass. Gonna let him go. Oh, he wet me. Yeah. I did. Oh, there's fish under me.
This sucks amazing. What'd you use, Eduardo?
The same thing you're using?
Oh, nice. God damn, you caught that fast.
Well, I had the fish finder.
Yeah, I want to see that video. I want to see
On my first fish of today. It's pretty crazy that yeah, just look at that view. I'm getting further and further away from my friends, but look at that. Early morning. Wanted a crappie, but got a bass. I'll take it.
26 feet. Man, it is super.
I threw it like right past him. Tony was like, there's fish over here. And I just like ooh, don't say that.
Oh, shit. like, oh, shit, that was like that trailer. Oh, man. Take one for the team.
Take one for the team, bro. You took half of them for the team. You already took the total for the team. I told him like this bitch.
That's 5 days. That was 5 days. That's 5 days. Came back. 5 days. I worked 3 hours for my shift. And like, hey, we're supposed to text you again. And so they text me. I'm like, alright, I'm fine. This is positive again.
Oh.
So they had to kick me out for another 5 days. And I had to use up all my sick time for the year. In January.
Yeah.
All my sick time is gone. Till next year.
Yeah, that fucking sucks.
But, yeah. Yeah, that shit was so sad. I was like, 5, so I just like, I had to play video games. I haven't played video games in 9 months. Oh yeah, we're going back. Because everyone got fucking COVID, all of our orders kept piling up. So we're working like 60-hour weeks.
Fucking hell, bro. You get paid overtime for it though?
Huh?
You get paid overtime for that?
Oh yeah. Oh dude, yeah. Dude, me and Nick, yesterday we got paid $20 an hour.
What the hell? What the?
Wait, what? You get some?
Yeah. Another bass. Damn, his teeth are sharp.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, don't drop him.
Damn, he fucking stuck his teeth in there.
Yeah, you get Jason right here. I'll pass it across. See?
Oh, he has some sharp ass teeth. Damn it, my line got messed up and I felt him. We're not killing him though.
You don't want to kill him?
No, only crappie. He's probably not even the appropriate size.
Yeah, he's not big, that big.
Nah, he's small and skinny.
So beautiful.
Oh,
We should get him back in.
He has some sharp ass teeth.
Yeah, get his ass back in there.
Damn, that's crazy. That's a big ass.
I was like, what the heck is pulling my line? And I start reeling in my line hand by my hand.
Wait, let me take a picture of that. It's like right here.
Wait, let me dip him in some water first.
Oh, dude.
Oh, fuck.
Damn, that thing is sick, man. Shit. That's so
Gotta drop him off.
super dick. Oh, did he just run into the fucking...
I think so. He went in there.
Oh,
Ow.
he ran into the rock.
I was like, why is my line not coming in? I gave him one, and did you bring it up?
Yeah, I was able to catch that out of there.
Yeah, tie that on.
That didn't fit on me. But I think I was managed to do it.
Dude, I saw my line get messed up, and I was like, oh wow. Reels it back in. He's on there.
That's what's up though, at least we got something else.
Dude, that was... That's...
Oh. No.
Pulling up your line, I was like, no.
Look at all my line messed up, and I was ringing it up. Check that out.
Dude, that's crazy.
Yeah, especially this wind is like messing everything up. You should go cut that off from the other one.
Yeah?
I think it's the garlic scent that got him.
Wait.
Look at that line the line's easy to take care apart. Second fish of today. You guys might have to play paper, rock, scissors. I think they like the highlighter color. I'm gonna let you guys know if we catch anything else. Time to go home. It was semi-successful day. Wanted to target crappie, but didn't get any bites. But next time, hopefully in the spring, we can come down here or maybe spool up my line a lot more and then come down here. Only got 5 minutes.
3 people.
All right, so we're gonna pay paper, rock, scissors because we didn't catch much fish out here. We're really giving this mystery tackle box out away to one of my friends. All right, just 3 rounds. You wanna go?
No, those 2 first, and then we'll fucking.
Okay, go. 1, 2.
Shoot! Oh, yeah.
All right.
Alright, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Oh!
You
Alright,
won.
let's see
You
what
won
it
the
is.
last. Hurry, because I only got 4 minutes on it.
Alright, that. Ooh, that's actually pretty dope.
pretty sweet.
Yeah, that's pretty fucking dope. I like that color. We got a little jig, bro. A little gibble.
Yeah, it just has like
Oh, information on it.
yeah, information and shit. Hooks.
A couple hooks, yeah. Damn. Dope ass sticker, bro. I fucking bro, that's slutty ass stuff. I've never used these before, but these would be dope.
Yeah, these go on here.
Oh,
Those
yeah?
would too.
Oh hell yeah. Hell yeah, man. That's what's up. Fuck yeah.
Alright, well that's it because I'm fucking tired. See you later, Tony. See ya.